I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice.
Hello, good morning, days friends. Day 2 here in Samal. Good morning, my baby. Yay! How's your sleep?
Very deep sleep, guys, because it's very cozy here and it's very comfortable here, guys.
Yeah.
We had a really deep sleep.
Queen, good morning! Oh, she arrived last night, guys, but I didn't vlog it because we're so tired. We're actually, after our dinner, we went straight here. This morning, guys, we will go to the Aqua Park. We'll have our breakfast there.
Yes!
And what's our plan for today?
Island hopping sa Buddha.
Island hopping ko no. Guys, you know, guys, our Buddha tour will be tomorrow. So this morning we'll just enjoy the amenities here in Crusoe Cabins here in Costa Azalea. And this afternoon, guys, we'll be doing a inland tour here in Samal Island. So yeah, that will be the plan, guys. I'm going to prepare, change my clothes because we'll have breakfast. So see you later, guys. Alright, guys. So we're now going to Aqua Water Park, guys.
Yeah. So we're gonna be having our breakfast here at the Aqua Water Park, and also, guys, we're gonna be swimming, I think, and we're gonna give you some drone shots and swimming pool shots. So let's go, guys. You won't believe what I'm seeing right now. Oh my goodness. We woke up so early, guys, for this view. And look at this. We have the infinity pool and the aqua park all to ourselves right now. Since it's still very early, it's still 7 a.m. So I think that the other guests were still sleeping. And yeah.
Let's eat, guys!
Let's eat. It's only the 4 of us right now, guys, here having breakfast. So we recommend you guys wake up early so that you will have the pool to yourselves, and if you want to take photos and videos without photo bombers, so it's best to wake up early, guys, because look at this. Ooh. And allow me to let you guys see their infinity pool. It is just situated right here. It's so hot already. So this right here is their infinity pool. Ooh, look at this view, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. So you could just chill here and have this wonderful view here. A view of the Davao City just right in front of this infinity pool. And yeah, let's go eat breakfast. Alright, breakfast is here. So let's eat. So guys, we're now gonna be swimming in their infinity pool right over there, guys.
For adults.
Yeah, so let's go.
Let's go.
Waiting for you if you had to leave.
Let's go.
I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea.
It's so nice here, guys, because there's a shade.
Oh yeah. And look at that, guys, overlooking Davao City.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause I love
Hey guys, wow. So nice, baby, no?
That's Davao City.
Yeah, that's Davao City proper, guys, right there.
Proper. So guys, it's currently 9:30 a.m. I'm just enjoying here in their swimming pool. There's actually two pools here, guys. One is the Aqua Park, the playground or something for kids, and this part here is for the adults.
Yeah. So guys, as what you can see, we have the pool all to ourselves. Since it's weekday today, guys, it's Friday, so it's more preferable to book here in Crusoe Cabins on weekdays, guys, because it's not really crowded, you know. And that's the normal thing here in the Philippines. When you book at weekdays, you don't get to see a lot of crowd if you're not into, you know, spending your vacation with lots of crowd. So you better book during weekdays on all resorts, not only here, right? Almost all resorts, guys. That's the situation when you book during weekdays. On weekends, guys, it's mostly really busy and crowded. So yeah, you won't really find, you know, the place so beautiful like all to yourselves, because so many people are just, you know, gonna be walking or passing by, photo bomb.
By the way, you can have unlimited access here when you book at Crusoe Cabins, but they also allow day use.
Yeah.
For weekends it's 850, and weekdays, guys, it's 700. And then for kids 7 to 11 years old, guys, it's half the rate.
And by the way, guys, they don't allow foods here from outside of this resort. Like, they don't really encourage people to bring their own food, because they have their own restaurant here, guys, and it's worth the price, guys. It's just very cheap for a resort like this, a beautiful view like this, right? So yeah, I don't think you really need to bring your own food, because they serve really good food here, guys.
So if you want, guys, just message them on their Facebook page or their website, so that you can book a day tour or their Crusoe Cabins.
Yeah, they also have Instagram account, guys. That's Crusoe Cabins.
Alright, guys, so we're now going back to our cabin.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you so much, Aqua Water Park. And this is Aqua Water Park. It's just across our cabin, guys. They also have a golf cart, guys.
When you arrive here, they're gonna be fetching you and they're gonna bring you to your cabin using that golf cart. So yeah.
So this is the 𝐏𝐵𝐵𝐿, the restaurant.
That's the restaurant here, guys, and here's our cabin. It's cabin number 3.
Okay.
Good thing that this one, guys, is waterproof. You don't have to worry about bringing this one, your key, to the pool while you are swimming. So yeah, let's scan it. Let's check.
Yeah.
It's a nice, messy room.
We're going to take a bath now, guys.
A few moments later.
Where are we going, baby?
We're going to the reception, guys, because we're going to check out now. It's actually 12:30 already. We're over
30 minutes.
checking out, guys. So guys, we're just waiting for the staff to check the room, guys, if there's no damage or everything. So they're still packing up their things. And then guys, by the way, I forgot. Here guys, I forgot to show you this. There's a refrigerator, mini refrigerator. And they also will provide you with depending on the guest, so they will provide you with water, guys, from Crusoe Cabins, Nature's Peak. Thank you so much again. Alright guys, so we're here in the reception, guys. We're still waiting for Kuya Manuel Sagarino. He's one of the local tour guide here in Samal, guys. I've actually found him on Facebook because I've read so many reviews, good reviews for him, guys, so yeah.
So we actually have finished checking out, guys, and as what you have seen on the B-roll a while ago, they have assisted us in our luggages.
Yeah, yeah.
And our luggages are right here.
They're very accommodating.
Yeah, the staff are very accommodating. They really are so, you know, hospitable, you know. Like every time they meet you on the hallways and
they always
everywhere,
greet you and smile.
Greet you with a smile. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
I highly recommend this resort, guys.
These two are struggling. They're struggling, guys, in opening their luggage. They forgot the password. Hello. So actually, for the rest of our trip here in Davao City or everywhere here in Davao, we will be traveling with 𝗁𝗲𝗏𝗏 Reyes and her boyfriend, Joseph. So yeah. You can also check Twin's drone shots. Yeah, drone shots. She's got dope drone shots, guys, on Facebook. You can follow her on Facebook. That's 𝗁𝗲𝗏𝗏 Reyes, guys. So yeah, they're still busy right here. So guys, this is Sir, what's her name again, sir?
Ryan.
Sir Ryan, their manager here.
Really enjoyed our stay here, sir.
Yeah.
Kasi grabe.
Exclusive
The
niyang
food.
pool.
Yes! Grabe, nice kayo. So guys, better come here, guys. Kanang mga weekday. Usually weekday kayo, wala dyan kayo. Then tapos ang weekend is daghang tao.
Medyo.
So as what I've said earlier, guys, they also offer here day use of their water park. Yeah. Ano yung mga inclusion sa day
Access sa Aqua Water Park, also with our beach. Then of course we complimentary pool towels na rin.
Okay.
Yes.
That's nice because other resorts don't offer free use of towels.
So right now we have an existing promo for local residents. That's for Samal and Davao City residents, no?
How much is that?
Basta umabot sila ng 10 persons, that's 350 per head na.
350
So
per
that's
head.
around
Instead of
700. So that's 50% off
Oh, nice.
for a group of 10.
Nice. So guys, what are you waiting for? Book now. I will just put the link, guys, of their website where they can book.
Website.
How can they book, man, sir? Like,
They
what
can
are the
book
other-
through our website, our Facebook page, and also through mobile with our resort.
I will ask for your mobile details,
Sure,
sir,
sure.
for the details. So I'll just leave them on the description box below, guys, so that you can contact them directly. Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
First time niya? First time niya magsama?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa motor show.
Nice.
Thank you,
Enjoy
sir.
Thank
Mindanao.
you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you po.
So I guess this is the best time to end this vlog here. How's your experience, babe?
I really had a great time.
Yeah,
This is
I
one
really
of the most fun activity that you must do here in
Samal
Island, guys.
Yeah.
And also, this resort is just very, very nice. It's very peaceful, right?
It's very perfect for honeymooners or
It's more
family.
mainly because it's more like a secluded place.
Yeah.
It's not really that crowded yet. How about you? How's your experience here in Crusoe Cabins?
One thing I love here, guys, is their foods. It's
Yeah.
very delicious, guys.
And worth the price.
Yes,
Yeah, it's
worth
very
the
cheap.
price. Last night we had our dinner. The calamari is superb, and also their breakfast a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really yummy, guys. It's worth it. So guys, I will end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you've already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. That's at 𝐼𝐴𝑚daysee, and my Facebook page is Daisy. So yeah, always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations, and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Days friends.